Hi loves, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a Sephora, Ulta, and Victoria's Secret shopping haul. I actually ended up going to Sephora because I needed to get some new skincare items, but then of course, there's so much new things, so much new makeup. I picked up a few items. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new here, hello, I'm Fabiola, and if you like anything pink and girly, go ahead, click the subscribe button down below if you have not already, and follow me on my Instagram. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'll start off with some Victoria's Secret. They are running their semi-annual sale, so most of their beauty items and like leggings and undies are on sale. They came out with so many new fragrances and they all smell so incredibly good. So I did pick these up. I think these are from like the Valentine's collection. I'm not sure, but they do have like a little heart on them. They are the Darlin Vanilla Jasmine. I got the lotion and then I also got the body spray. These are my favorite. I love these even more than the Victoria's Secret fashion show ones. These smell really, really good and I should have actually gotten more. But these have vanilla cream, jasmine blossom, and sweet cashmere, and they just smell so, so good. I also got the Bare body spray, and the reason why I picked this up is because I actually already have the perfume. I have the Bare perfume. This is the original one. I believe it comes in 3 different scents, but this one is my favorite. It smells so good, and I got this one to go with it. This one here doesn't have the notes, but it smells so incredibly good. Very musky, very like vanilla. I don't know, it just smells so, so good. Like if you like sweet scents, you will love this one. Highly, highly recommend it. And I also recommend the perfume, the original one. I think it's called Suede Vanilla. So there's a new collection of perfumes. There are 3 of them. There's like a light pink, dark pink, and a red one. It's the newer perfumes. I believe they are called like the Very Sexy perfumes. I did pick this one up in blush. I smelled the other ones and I was not a fan of those. I just didn't like how they smelled, but this one smells really, really good. It's also light pink. I really wanted to love the dark pink one, but I just did not like how it smells. Some of the notes on this perfume are satin hibiscus, honeysuckle nectar, and white cedar. So it smells really good. And I also love the packaging. It is so pretty, so pink. They had like a beautiful set, but that one had like the darker one and I just did not like that one. Check out the bottle on this one. It's that perfect shade of blush pink, just like the name of the perfume. The packaging of this perfume is definitely very simple, but it's so pretty and elegant. And I don't know, but the bottle just feels very luxurious, like very expensive. Even the cap is like a heavy cap. I don't know, it just feels different than the other ones. It smells really nice. I know I just sprayed the other one, but layered, it smells so good, and on its own it just smells so girly, so feminine. Highly, highly recommend this one. It smells incredible. And I'm not really like a floral type of a person, but this one is like a blend between the honeysuckle and the florals, so it's definitely like a really nice blend of just scents all together. So I recommend this one. Definitely check out the other ones. It might not be for you, but I just loved this one here. I'm obsessed with that new perfume. I am so excited I picked it up. I also got some body scrubs because I adore their scrubs. They are so good and I am running low on them. So I did get another backup of my favorite one. This one here is the Victoria's Secret Whipped Body Scrub in Feel Calm. It has coconut milk and rose, and packaging is so pretty. I'm going to open it even though I already have my other one opened. It's very pretty pink. It just looks really nice in the bathroom, but I love their body scrubs. They are so good and they were on sale, so how could I say no? I also picked up a new one. I think this is new because I have not seen it. This one has white, peach, and mango, and it's Feel Bright. I did try out the body spray and it smelled really good, so I wanted to try their scrub. And then the last thing I got from Victoria's Secret is a body oil. This one is the Coconut Milk Rose Body Oil with coconut oil. Let's move on to some makeup products. I'll start off first with Ulta just because I'm so excited to open these. I have not opened them since I got them, and I actually ended up getting one of the newer products from the Tarte collection. It wasn't even out yet, but I saw the display and I fell in love with it, so they were able to get one for me. And this one is the Tarte Macaroon Blush and Glow. Oh my goodness, they are incredibly cute. They're shaped like macaroons. They are probably, I think, 5 different shades if I'm not mistaken. They are from Tarte and they are so pretty. I actually got one for my bestie, and then I went back because they didn't have any more and they had one other one, so I was able to get one for myself as well. Look how pretty. They are called macaroons because they are shaped like a macaroon. Check out how cute these are. I want them all. And you get 2 blushes. You get a cream blush and then you get a powder blush underneath. Let's swatch those out. I did swatch them out over there and I fell in love with it. They're so nice. Look at that pigment. Wow, and that is just one swipe. It is so beautiful. This blush almost has like a highlight to it and then the blush all together. Let's swatch the cream one. Wow. It is so pretty. I am so excited with this blush. I absolutely love it. I feel like this is going to be my favorite one, and I definitely need to go back and get the other shades because there was like 5 of them and they all looked so pretty. Also from Tarte, I got a new foundation. I always like to try new things and I've never tried the foundation. I have their concealer and I absolutely adore that concealer. It's so good. So I decided to try this one out. It is the Amazonian Clay 16-Hour Wear Makeup Foundation, and I got it in the shade 37H. It's medium tan honey, and you honestly get a really good amount of foundation in this tube. I also like that it's in this kind of like squeezy type of a tube just for like easier application. So I'm very excited with my new foundation to try it out. And I got one more thing from Ulta. It is also from Tarte. Oh my gosh, I've been loving Tarte. Their eyeshadows are incredible. I have one of their palettes and they're just so pigmented. And that's when I was like, wait a minute, I should try more Tarte products. So this one here is their new lip gloss. It's the Maracuja Juicy Lip Gloss by Tarte, and I got it in the shade Strawberry Milk. They also have so many shades with this line. And what's really cool about this is that you can get one of the 12 charms. It's almost like a surprise blind box. You get a little charm in here. There is 12 of them and you can get one of them and you put it on your lip gloss. I'm excited to see what charm I got because like I said, I have not opened it. It's been sitting in my bag. Here is the lip gloss. It's so pretty and you just pump it out. Oh, this is so pretty. It is such a pretty shade. It smells really nice. It smells very fruity. The little cap has this thing here. That's where you put the charm. Okay, let's see what charm I got. Got the little pink poodle. This is adorable. I am so excited. And you just clip it on to your lip gloss. This is adorable, and it has a little keychain so you can clip this on to your purse. That way you always have your lip gloss with you on the go. I really want to go back and get some more of those lip glosses. They are so pretty and I love the way they smell. So that was everything that I ended up getting at Ulta. Everything else here is from Sephora. So I did pick up this new face spray. It's called the Glazing Mist by Rhode Beauty. I've heard so many good reviews about this brand, so I decided to try it out. I did already use this and I am obsessed with this one here. I love the way it makes my skin feel. It feels very like hydrated, but it also gives you that like perfect glow. It does not have any scent to it. That's the only downside. I kind of wish it had like some kind of a scent just because I like things with scents. You can either use it before your makeup or after your makeup. I'm kind of in between with this one and the Glow Recipe. I just like the Glow Recipe because it also has that like watermelon scent to it. but I feel like this one here is definitely more hydrating and it gives you more of a glow. I also got another face spray because I ran out of mine, and I did repurchase the Glow recipe. This one is the Watermelon Glow Mist. It smells like watermelon and it's very dewy. I usually use this before my makeup, so I did buy this one, and I think I'm going to use this for after my makeup and then just to kind of reapply. But I absolutely love the Glow recipe one too. I also got some eyeshadows from Natasha Denona. This is the Essential Eyeshadow Duo, and I believe it's a limited edition. It's 2-in-1, but they are the most beautiful colors I've ever seen. And check out the packaging. It's light pink, so pretty. And here are the colors. I also got the Mini Rose palette, also from Natasha Denona. I actually picked this up at the checkout line. There's 5 gorgeous shades. I love all of these. Look how pretty they are. See how pigmented they are? They are beautiful. I'm so excited with all of those colors. I also got a blush from Natasha Denona, and this one is a new blush. It's the High Blush Cloudy Cream Cheek Duo, and the packaging is so pretty as well. Very, very pink on both sides. I did already swatch them out, but oh my gosh, this one reminds me so much of the NARS blush. This is a cream blush. Check out how beautiful. It has like reflective color, almost like a highlighter. It is gorgeous. And then this one here is also cream, and it's very, very pigmented. So that was everything that I got from Sephora. I also forgot to mention one more thing that I actually got. I got these for Valentine's from my husband, and I am so excited with these. I am in love with them. I already wore them a couple times, but I had to share them with you just because they're so, so pretty. He got me some pair of Uggs, and these are the Taz slippers. You can see I already wore them a little bit, but they are beautiful. They are limited edition. They have like a little Ugg heart in here. They're light pink. The inside is all light pink. If you guys love Uggs, you know how like excited we get when we see them, and I could not believe he got me these because they were limited edition, and I am beyond excited. And I've been wearing these like literally ever since. They keep my feet so, so warm. I am very happy with them. So that was everything that I got. I'll try to link as many things as I can down in the description bar in case you're interested in getting any of these items, and I hope you'll have a great rest of your day. Bye.